Good morning. What a beautiful and fresh day to be in the woods.
Hello, welcome to the Green Valley Reserve. My name is Ben.
I am Lily. I want to learn more about the trees and animals here.
That is great. I'm a forester and I protect this place every day.
The air here is so crisp. It feels very different from the busy city.
Crisp is a perfect word. It means the air is cool and very clean.
I see many different types of trees. Are they all very old?
Most of them are. Some pines are more than 50 years old.
I want to write a guide for the students in my school.
I can help you with the facts. You can help me with the English.
It is a deal. Let's start with this large evergreen tree.
Evergreen. Does that mean the leaves stay green all year?
Yes, exactly. Pines and firs are common evergreen trees.
I learned something new already. My English is getting better.
You are a fast learner, Ben. You have a very good memory.
I spend a lot of time alone with nature. I listen very carefully.
Nature has its own language. It is very quiet but very powerful.
That is a beautiful thought. You speak like a poet, Lily.
I think everyone is a poet in such a lovely forest.
Look at the ground. Do you see these footprints in the mud?
Yes, I see them. Are they from a very large dog?
No, those are from a wolf. But don't worry, they're shy.
Shy. That means they are afraid of people and stay away.
Correct. They watch us from the shadows, but they don't come close.
I feel very adventurous today. Let's go deeper into the woods.
Follow me. I know a secret path to a very old tree.
I am ready. I have my camera and my notebook.
Be careful with the twigs. They can be very slippery after the rain.
Thank you for the warning. I will walk very slowly.
Great. The adventure begins under these tall green branches.
Stop. Please be very silent and don't move your arms.
Why? Did you see something interesting near the bushes?
Look through my binoculars. There is a doe near the tall grass.
Doe. Is that the word for a female deer?
Yes, she is eating some soft moss near the old stone.
Oh, she is so graceful. She moves like a dancer.
Graceful. I like that word. She is very calm and very beautiful.
Her ears are moving. She's listening to the rustle of the leaves.
Rustle is the sound of dry leaves moving in the wind.
You are getting very good at English vocabulary, Ben.
I try my best. It is easy with such a kind teacher.
The doe has a small fawn with her. It has white spots.
Fawn is the baby. They stay together for many months. The fawn is very playful. Look, it is jumping over the log.
It is so adorable. I want to take a quick photo.
Please be careful with the flash. Light can scare them away.
I turned it off. I don't want to disturb their peace.
Disturb. That means to break the silence or make them feel unsafe.
Exactly. We are just observers in their beautiful home.
We are guests, and guests must be very respectful.
Respectful guests. That is a very important rule for every tourist.
I want to put a sign here. Please be quiet and respectful.
I will write it for you. We can use a wooden board.
The animals will be very happy if people stay quiet.
Look, the doe is looking at us now. Her eyes are so large.
She knows we are here, but she knows we are friendly.
I feel a very strong connection to nature right now.
It is a magical feeling. The forest is full of wonders.
They are moving away now. They are disappearing into the green.
Let's continue our walk. The big oak tree is very close. Look up, Lily. This is the king of our forest.
Oh my goodness, this tree is enormous and so majestic.
Enormous means very, very big. It is 500 years old.
500 years?
It saw many generations of people.
Yes, it is a living history book of our valley.
Look at the bark. It has many deep lines and textures.
Bark is the skin of the tree. It protects it from insects.
The branches are so wide, they look like giant arms.
They provide shelter for many birds and squirrels.
Shelter, a safe place to live and hide from the rain.
Exactly. Every part of this tree is important for nature.
Can I touch it? I want to feel its energy.
Of course, the wood feels very solid and very warm.
You are right. It feels like the tree is breathing.
Many people come here to find peace and quiet.
Peace, a state of mind where you feel no stress.
I feel peace every time I stand under these leaves.
We must preserve this tree for the future children.
Preserve. Does that mean to keep it safe and healthy?
Yes, we must not allow anyone to hurt this giant.
I check this tree every morning. It is my best friend.
Let's sit on this root. It looks like a natural bench.
The roots go very deep into the dark soil.
That is why the tree is so stable during the storms.
Stability is important in nature and in life too.
You are a very wise forester, Ben. I learn a lot.
Wisdom comes from watching the trees grow slowly.
I am writing the word stability in my notebook now.
I will remember this word. It sounds very strong.
Let's move to the stream. I hear the sound of water.
This is the clearest water in the whole country.
It is so transparent. I can see the stones at the bottom.
Transparent? Like a window? You can see through it?
Yes, and the water is very refreshing and very cold.
Don't drink it yet. We must check if it is pure.
Pure means it has no chemicals or bad bacteria.
Correct. But look over there. Do you see that bottle?
Oh no, someone left litter near the beautiful flowers.
Litter is trash. It is very harmful for the forest.
Harmful. It can hurt the fish and the birds.
I am very disappointed. People must be more careful.
Let's collect all the trash together right now.
I have a large bag in my pocket for this reason.
Look, I found a plastic bag and a metal can.
Plastic takes a very long time to disappear.
It stays in the nature for hundreds of years.
We call this pollution. It is a big problem.
But we can prevent it by teaching people the rules.
Prevent, to stop something bad before it happens.
Yes, we will write signs about the water and the trash.
Keep the water pure. Do not leave litter here.
That is a very clear and direct message, Ben.
The stream looks pristine again now. Thank you, Lily.
Pristine. It means perfect, like it was never touched.
I like that word. Pristine nature is our goal.
Look, a small frog is jumping into the water.
It is happy because the water is clean now.
Nature is very thankful when we take care of it.
I feel proud of our work this afternoon.
Me too. Let's find a place to fix the signs.
I have some wooden boards and some bright paint.
Let's make the letters very visible and bold.
Visible, so people can see them from far away.
Yes, use the red paint for the warning signs.
And green paint for the helpful tips and facts.
I am writing "Protect our forest" on this board.
Your handwriting is very beautiful and very neat.
Neat. It means clean and very easy to read.
I am not good at painting. I will fix the posts.
We need to put the signs near the entrance and the stream.
This sign says, "Trees are the lungs of our planet."
Lungs. They help us to breathe oxygen every day.
Without trees, the world would be very hot and dry.
We call this global warming. It is very serious.
Planting trees is a solution to this big problem.
Solution. A way to fix a difficult situation.
Next week, I want to plant 10 new saplings.
Saplings. Are those very young and small trees?
Yes, they are like babies. They need a lot of water.
I want to help you with the planting, Ben.
That would be wonderful. You are a great volunteer.
Volunteer. Someone who works for free to help others.
You help the trees, and the trees help the world.
It is a circle of life. Everything is connected.
This sign is sturdy now. It will stay for a long time.
Sturdy, strong, and not easy to break or fall.
I used long nails and a very heavy hammer.
The forest looks very educational now. I love it.
People will read your words and learn to love nature.
Let's go to the lookout for the final sunset.
We are at the highest point of the Green Valley.
Oh, the view is absolutely breathtaking from here.
Breathtaking? Does it mean it takes your breath away?
Yes, it means it is so beautiful you are surprised.
The sky is turning orange, pink, and purple.
Those are the colors of a spectacular sunset.
Spectacular. Another great word for my new vocabulary.
You learned more than 50 words today, Ben.
And you learned more than 50 secrets of the forest.
I am very grateful for this amazing experience.
Grateful. It means you feel thankful in your heart.
Yes, I am thankful for the trees, the deer, and you.
I am thankful for your help and your kindness.
The forest is getting dark. I see the first stars.
They are very bright because there are no city lights.
It is so peaceful. I can hear the crickets singing.
Crickets? Those small black insects that make noise?
Yes, their song is the soundtrack of the night.
I must go back to my small cabin in the woods.
Cabin, a small house made of wood and stones.
It is very cozy. I have a fireplace and many books.
I must go back to the city to my students tomorrow.
Will you come back to visit us again soon?
I promise. I want to see our signs and the saplings.
I will wait for you. The forest will wait for you.
Goodbye, Ben. Thank you for being a great guide.
Goodbye, Lily. Thank you for being a great friend.